And now we're back for part 3. If you stuck by me with the first 2 videos, thank you for coming back. Really appreciate it. Love you guys. So yeah, this next video, we are going to do the other company I was telling you about, the owners of Cheek Boss and PopFit, their sister companies. I think it's the same people that own them. Love their stuff. I have on some of their stuff right now, but you don't want to see it because it's the underwear, and I don't want to do that to you. Might blind you a little bit. But oh yes, this is when they had their clearance sale going on, like right before the holidays. I got some paints, some stretch paints, and I do have a few of their other ones. These are capris. I hope. Wait, no, these are the pants. Okay. So yeah, I've got these. And a similar style. Oh, these are the shorts. Okay. Got these too. And one thing I love about all of the pants that I got from them is the pockets. Hold my whole hand. They're all pretty much the same, except they do have slightly different styles, and it's mostly where the pockets on the pants are located. But you could fit, like, with most of these, you could fit like a whole water bottle in there. Definitely fit your cell phone, anything that you might need, and if you want to go jogging, or if you don't want to take your purse with you. Not much of a jogger myself, if you couldn't figure that out. Let me see if I can find some of my other stuff from them that I've purchased. Oh, here we go. Here's one of the first pants I bought from them. They're so comfortable. If you give them a chance, you will not regret it, especially if you keep an eye on their website whenever they have a sale going on. I know PopFit, they're having a sale. If you like buy 2 for $49.99 or something like that. But yeah, look at these. Rainbow and hearts. And the pockets. Could definitely fit a water bottle in there. Look at it, goes like almost halfway up my arm. Love it. And another pair of a different style of shorts. Go on their website. You won't regret it. They got different styles. Now they have skirts. And if I had known that before I made this purchase, I might have bought a couple of those. They have skirts. They have little bomber jackets. They do have PJ sets, which I have one of those somewhere, but I can't find it right now. Again, it's all very stretchy, very soft. And I actually have some socks from there too. Right here. Look at these. These ones I haven't worn yet, but I've worn these ones. Look how cute they are. Let's see, these ones have little, like, those candy Valentine's Day hearts. This one just says PopFit on them. They come with all different kinds of colors. I love them. And Cheek Boss sells. I think they're actually under the brand Cheek Boss, but like I said, it's the same company. Lemons, people. Lemons. Oh, what are these? Oh. Candy. Come on, people. Why would you not want to have candy and lemons on your feet? I do. Okay, let's see what I got. 'Cause I think some of this is for my daughter, too. They don't really sell things for little girls, but with her, if I want to order some underwear for her, because she likes to do the same thing Mommy does, I have to order her like an extra small. They still end up being a little bit big, but I figure she'll grow into them. But anyways, I always get a little card like this. If you want to try something from them, go ahead and copy that QR code if you're able to. Look at these designs. Like Christmas. I think this is one I got for my daughter. She doesn't know if they can eat yet. See, look. Tease of the week. Well, if anything, it'll get her reading. Yeah, look how stretchy these are. I had to back up to show you how stretchy these things are. And I swear, guys, I would not lie to you. These are the most comfortable, like, ever. I'll just show you a few other designs. Let me show you some ones I have, too. Well, this is the only other one that I have that I haven't opened yet, but I got this a while ago. They also have plain colors too. If you're not into the designs, which I don't see why you wouldn't be, but if you're not into the designs, they do have just regular, like, nude colors, like beige, white, black, browns, different types of, like, you know, flesh colors. But yeah, they have all that. Plus they have these cute little designs too. Like, look at this. Especially love this because for the larger ladies like me, we are not just limited to the boring, you know, white, beige, brown, off-white, whatever. We're not just limited to those colors. We can have designs too. We are allowed to have pretty underwear. Look. Friday. I'm sure my daughter's going to want to wear this tonight. Oh. I can tell my daughter I got watermelon on my butt. Come on, who doesn't want to have watermelon seeds on your tush? I don't know about you, but I do. So yeah, I do have many more, but they are downstairs right now. But yeah, just to give you an idea. Look how stretchy these are. They're so soft. You will not regret it. Okay? Do yourself a favor. Get a few pairs. Just try them. But yeah, that was fun. I felt like it was Christmas. I think my husband thinks I'm crazy because he's the one that had to pick up all them packages at the post office. I said, you get home from work, you pick up the packages. But yeah, we are done for the night. Sometime soon, like I said, I'm going to do a review of the different eyebrow things. The Juvia's Place. It'll be a fun time. All right, you guys have a good weekend. I am gonna get going. Gonna go lay down, see if I can feel better with my stuffed up nose, and I will see you later. Thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you all. Love ya. And again, hit like, subscribe, comment. If there's a product you want me to try, I'll definitely look into it. But yeah, let me know. And go out into the world, cause a little bit of chaos. Have a great day, guys. Bye.